Hello all, today I will be showing how to run the TypeScript. So I have a index.html file which is having text box and a button. So when we type something in the text box and click on the display button, I want to show the value that is typed in the text box. So this one we will do with the JavaScript first, then we will see how to do with the TypeScript. So I just adding file, new file. I'm just writing one function here. I'm just saving it app.js. Let here we read the value whatever entered in the text box. Get element by id is the file. We just check. I just enter value called Siva and click on it, and you can see it is working. So we have written this code in the JavaScript, but we would like to write in the TypeScript file. So in order to do that, we need to install the TypeScript on our machine. First, to install the TypeScript, we should have the NuGet package manager installed. So for that, just download the Node.js. I have already downloaded the Node.js and installed on my machine. If you have not downloaded the Node.js, we just go to the Node.js website like this, and depends on your OS you install the respective package. It's just like MSA package, and you just click on next and you can install it. Once you install the Node.js, how to install the TypeScript? Just click here, type sorry just search install TypeScript. You can get the command. So it is very easy command, just single line npm install -g TypeScript, which means we are going to install the TypeScript globally, so that whenever you create your project, either in disk drive or C drive or any other drive, so TypeScript will be available for you. We can open any command prompt like Node.js command prompt or normal command prompt, and just type the npm install -g TypeScript. You can see we have installed the TypeScript. So installing TypeScript means we are installing the TypeScript compiler also. Whatever the code you have written in the TypeScript, that will not be understandable by the browser, so that will be ultimately converted to the JavaScript file. The process of converting TypeScript into JavaScript is called transpiling, and TypeScript compiler will take care of it. Now we have written this code in the app.js. So just we remove this code, and even app.js I am going to remove it. So remove, I am going to delete it. Now I am going to add file called app.ts TypeScript file. So here I just copy paste this code. So now we can see we have written this one, and now if we go and run our application, we should see the error. So we can see resource is not found, file not found. So now what we need to do, we can go to the same location. So in Visual Code, press Ctrl tilde, then we will see the terminal, so which will open it in the same path where we have the file. Write a command tsc and app.ts. Now see what will happen. Property value doesn't exist on the HTML element. So for this, what we have to do in the TypeScript, we need to write like this: HTML input element. So we have to explicitly mention that this is HTML input element, and it will have the value. So now just save it. Now we can see we don't have app.js file here, and also here you can see app.css and app.ts only there. Now we just execute the command ts.app.ts again. We can see app.js is created, and we can see code also automatically converted to the JavaScript. Function display, we can see we didn't see anything like HTML input or something like whatever we have here. So it is converted to the pure JavaScript. And now since we have already referred the app.js in here, so it should work as it is. Now just refresh it, and you should not see the any error in the developer window console. So no error, and just write here Siva and click on the display. We'll see the value as it is. So whatever the code we have written here in the TypeScript, and as soon as you compile the TypeScript, it will automatically convert to the JavaScript file. So instead of alert, now I'll write console.log value entered username. If we go and check here, still we have alert username only. but as soon as you compile it, you should see the latest changes in the update.js. See, you can see even it is added the concatenate symbol, whereas we have used the tilde symbol and written in the TypeScript format, but it is converted to the JavaScript like this. So this is how we can compile the TypeScript, and you can write the TypeScript code, and which will be compared to the JavaScript. Hope you like this video. If you like the video, please subscribe and share it with your friends also.